Little Liam, come here, come here. Aw, what are you doing? Aw, my little baby. My baby, I love you. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. What are you saying? You got the toys that belong to the kids. That's not yours. You cannot bring that in the house. Vito, drop that. He thinks he's so slick. You're not bringing that in. You have to leave that out here. That's not yours. You can't have that. You got your toys in there. Vito. Well, we're going to have to figure out how to get this away from him, but I just wanted to show you Vito's shenanigans today. House, let's go. Come on. Let's go. We'll get treats. Let's go. Come on, Vito. I got treats. Look at him. He has to come with that thing that I told him he can't bring in. Here, I got treats. Look. Here. Hello, friends. So today I have to run to the store, as I said last night at the end of the video. So the hair is just going to stay like this. Don't look bad today because I washed it yesterday. Don't need to do no straightening or anything, so that's good. So yeah, I just have to run to the grocery store and pick up a couple things. I can't believe Vito. I had to bribe him with a treat to get that toy away from him. I don't know if he would chew it up and eat it, you know, so I worry about him having stuff like that, but I'm glad I was able to get it away from him. Okay, let's not forget about this today. Yesterday I forgot that it has the highlighter, and actually, yeah, I didn't use the highlighter. I never have used highlighters, so I don't know exactly how to even use it, so I mean, I have an idea, but I think it goes like up in here. I don't know. But I am going to use the blush out of here today, if I can get it open. It wasn't even this hard yesterday to open. What the heck? There we go. Okay. So yeah, I am going to use this middle one, the blush. So yeah, it was a nice evening yesterday. Quiet, relaxing. I did not wash the brushes yet though, and I did not do the ice on the face today, but maybe tomorrow. Alright, I think I'm going to try this one today. This one here. Different for me because it's a different color. Okay. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah, I have the window open, so that's why you hear the sirens. And then I'm gonna go in with this really light one today. Alright, done with that. Okay, I'm gonna use this tinted chapstick. It's Coral Blush. Colored. The color is Coral Blush. I figured it would go better with the shirt. Okay. Now, eyeliner. I had to go sharpen it because I didn't do it last night. Now, mascara. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to go with the fall necklace today. And then all this goes in here. Need earrings. Oh, I'm gonna go in with these little studs. Water, guys. Okay. It's finished look. I have on the last night we let the liquor talk. Even though I don't really drink, but in black leggings. I've been wearing black leggings a lot. I used to wear jeans all the time. Then I started wearing the leggings, and now it's just the coziest, right? But sometimes I'll put on my jeans though. But yeah, I have like, I don't know how many pairs of leggings, several pairs of black, and then I have different colors also that I usually don't wear because the black goes with everything. So, and I ordered some new black leggings. Actually, I didn't order them. I'm getting them off of Temu, the fish game, or either the fish game or the farm game. One of them had the option to win the 5 pairs of black leggings, and actually the reason I'm getting more is because I did lose a few pounds, and now my leggings are getting baggy on me, so that's nice. But yeah, so I'll still be able to wear them, but for a more fitted legging, you know, I'll have the other ones. So what do you think of this eyeshadow, guys? Orangey to match the shirt. I heard many years ago that you're not supposed to match your eyeshadow to your outfit. I'm just now noticing my husband's got his shorts hanging on the bed, so sorry about that look, but they're not boxer shorts, they're just regular shorts. But anyways, okay, I'm going to get to the store and see you guys there. And prices of groceries today. Everybody was complaining in there. Hey guys, I'm just cleaning out my shelves, dusting them off. This is an urn from our little dog Pixie we had. Loved her so much. And in the winter, well, at Christmas time, what I'm going to do is put a Christmas tree on here, a little tiny one, and light it up for background. I'm also cleaning off the dresser, my little makeup area. Everything's over here right now. Gotta get it back over here after it's all cleaned. Okay guys, so yeah, I got this done. Took a long time because I went through some of my jewelry boxes also. But yeah, this is all clean now. And ready for the get ready with me's. Happy about that. Guys, here's dinner. Leftovers from yesterday. I made the taco mac. It's really good too. And this is how I remember to take my pill. I write it on here. So I have it in my hand, my pill, and I'm going to write 7 o'clock. And that way I know I took it. Because I was telling my doctor that I forget to take my pill all the time. He said, well, you can't be doing that. So this is my new way of remembering. So hopefully I remember every day now. Hello again, friends. So we had a great day. It was a beautiful day. It was very warm and breezy. It still is. I have the window open back here. And yeah, we had a good dinner. It was left over from yesterday, but my husband just loves it. It was just some taco meat with the, the meat with the taco seasoning. And then I put it over macaroni noodles, mixed it in there. Also, I added a ranch packet for some more flavor. But, yeah, it turned out really good, and he's like, you can make this anytime, and I'm like, all right then. I'm glad it turned out so good. But yeah, I didn't have taco shells, so I had to put something together. But, what else? Yeah, I'm glad I got all the dusting done in here, and my dresser that I use as a vanity, and for you guys, for my get ready with me's. And my husband was like, you need an office. And I'm like, okay, I'll go in the bedroom and edit. But I said, I'm going to my office, meaning the bedroom. So welcome to my office, guys. So yeah, I'm going to be in here editing for the next, I don't know how long it'll take me. I got some of the editing done already from this video throughout the day. I like to film and edit right after so that it's not so much at night, because if I left the whole video to edit at night, it would take me like 4 or 5 hours, sometimes more, depending on how much footage I got that day. But this way it gets done as I go, and it's working out better for me. So I'm glad I got that under control. But I don't know if I said give this video a thumbs up, because it'll help this channel grow. And what else? I think that's about it. And I hope you all have a great night. Tonight, you guys will be seeing it tomorrow, but have a great night tonight. And I hope you are having a good night actually tonight. Hear the wind whipping back there? But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.